it's Captain Squish from JaMonkey, and we got a top secret box, so let's open it.
If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of new videos.
Camp Cretaceous Captivz. Over 15 pop and lock Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Dinosaur figures are roaring to hatch out of our Captivz slime eggs. Unwrap, crack, and ooze your way through slime to reveal your mystery species. Let's see what you hatch. Look at, they're all in here like eggs.
Yep.
Like dinosaur eggs that we're gonna open up for you guys today.
I'm gonna open one now. Now I feel like opening an LOL doll.
Oh, there we go.
These are hard to hatch.
So I think you have to crack them. So maybe just like whack it real good.
I got it.
Here, put it over this thing.
Oh, gooey slime. Oh, it's so sticky. Let me open this. It's hard to do it with slimy hands.
Let's see.
And that thing is just slimy.
Oh, it's super slimy. Hang on.
Let's
get some scissors going in here.
Look at the slime.
Oh my gosh. That's super slimy.
It's slippery.
Let's see which dinosaur you got.
Oh, I'm guessing you build it?
You gotta build it? Yeah.
Just put a few words that on though.
This is Charlie.
I still can't do it because of my slimy hands.
Your slimy hands.
I'm gonna have to
Let's
wash
see.
my hands.
Alright, so then you pop and lock the dinosaur in. So they've got these little joints. Pop in like that.
And you can move them.
Yeah, and it lets them move. That's pretty cool.
Oh, and I think you can pop them on in the opposite way too. You can put the tail on right here and the head right there.
Awesome.
I'm gonna open another one.
Okay.
Some more slimy. Get that slime off of it. Oh, so much slime.
That's probably what a real dinosaur head would be like when he comes. Gross! That's awesome.
Can't get it off me.
Let's see who you got.
This time I'm gonna put it. We got another one.
It's the same one! Dinosaur so far.
Oh, nope, that's the same slime. That was the package. Oh. No. There's the slime.
No! We got another one the same. Let's do this. Oh, we got a new one. Here.
You do?
Yes.
Finally.
I'll let you open it. It's already open. I just...
Oh, pterodactyl. At least they're not all the same.
Pteranodon. So here we go.
I think this is our
Pteranodon. And where's his little tag here? So he is aggression 2, rival, intelligence 4. What you got there? You got a Stegosaurus. Oh man, the slime is unreal.
I hope they didn't. Here, you can get the slime out of that while I get this out.
Oh, that one's in there good.
There's slime on the dinosaur. Whoa.
Oh, that one's super slimy. This bag is covered. Oh, look! I can't even grab hold of it. It's that covered.
And it's that slippery.
Yeah.
Ew. Oh, it's another Stegosaurus. Ew.
Oh, that's another Stegosaurus.
How many Stegosaurus do we need?
So what? We got 3 Stegosauruses
And 3 of them.
and 3 Charlies.
And 2 of them.
Oh, this one's in there good.
There's so many of them.
Oh my God. This one is another Pteranodon.
Open the bag.
I can see it through the bag. Another Pteranodon. All right, last one. Let's see if we get something new.
I hope we do.
There are 15 that you can collect, it looks like.
I think we only got 4 though.
Yeah. Yeah, we kind of bummed out on this one. So, here's a look. Ooh, Bumpy was in one of them. They have the
It's cool.
Indominus Rex, Stegosaurus, Sinoceratops, Charlie Echo Blue, T-Rex, Carnotaurus Delta.
Last one.
Last one, fingers crossed. I really want a Bumpy. Bumpy's our favorite character. He's so cute.
Let's see what we get.
Moment of truth, last one.
Another one.
Another Echo. Dang. So we got
At least we
4
got-
dinosaurs out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. With these cool captives from Playwise, they have a game in them too. So the best of 2 or more players. It requires a coin to play, so we got a penny. And then you get your battle tokens, which are these that came with them. And it has their strengths and weaknesses. So their aggression and their intelligence. So let's see. Let's pick 2. Like, you pick one and I'll pick one and we'll battle. Player 1 flips a coin to decide if the battle will be based on intelligence, which is heads, or aggression, which is tails. So go ahead and flip it and we'll see what it lands on. Tails. So it's aggression. The player with the most intelligence or aggression points wins and takes their opponent's battle rank points, found on the reverse of the collector's guide. The player with the most battle points after 3 rounds is the captive's champion. So I guess, okay, so we got tails for aggression. So I have 3 aggression, which means I win. So then we flip again. Wah! Heads. Intelligence. You win. Alright, so best out of 3. So this is a tiebreaker. So I'll flick it. Oh! Tails! Which is aggression. I win. Ah! Thank you to Playwise Partners for sending us these great captives. It was so much fun opening up the eggs.
Thanks for watching.